Want to become a better coder? Hit like, subscribe, and let's do this together. In this video, we will write code for Nutrition Facts application. This is a simple Nutrition Facts application. It stores food items and their nutrition information. It allows you to look up food items and get details like calories, fat, and protein. This class represents a single food item with its nutritional information. When creating a food item, we need the food name and its nutritional values. The name of the food item, calories per serving, fat content per serving in grams, protein content per serving in grams, carbohydrates content per serving in grams. This method defines how we want the food item to be printed out. Next, we will create a few food item objects to represent different foods. Now, let's say we want to store these items in a simple collection. A dictionary makes sense for that, where the key is the food name and the value is the food item object. Function to look up a food item by name and print its nutrition facts. Check if the food is in the database. If the food exists, print its nutrition information. If the food does not exist, inform the user. Example usage. Let's look up the nutrition for a banana. Expected output. Banana, calories, 105, fat, zero point 0.3 g, protein, 1.3 g, carbs, 27 g. You can also look up an item that does not exist in the database. Expected output. Sorry, we do not have nutritional information for pizza. Now, run our code. Okay, let's make a deal. If you like this video and subscribe, I promise I'll keep bringing you more awesome coding content. No bugs, no errors. Well, okay, maybe a few bugs, but I'll help you debug them. Seriously though, hitting that like and subscribe helps me out a lot and ensures you don't miss out on any future videos. Deal?